Hello, and welcome to Coming Attractions for week 6. First, once again, I want to apologize because the previous Coming Attractions for week 6 was inaccurate. So this is accurate and is going to be posted to your overview for week 6. So first, what are you going to learn? This is a week where you'll become even more clear about your client, the client's issues, and how to help. It's really important that you continue to have a discussion with the client, me, about the issues that you're specifically intending to work on. Start to find out where my points and your points go in different directions and where they are the same. I also want you to consider that you could have a series of questions that develop at this point. You might define things differently. And if you do, that's all right. You know, changes that happen in a long-standing client consultant relationship can change. And what you thought at first the problem was may not be the problem at all once you examine it over and over. I also want to let you know that there's some videos, there's some articles to read. However, your focus is going to be on your consultant report. Remember, the reports are the process by which you're going to develop your final report for me. So please make sure that you're moving along. If you haven't got 3 reports done, that's all right. We're in week 6. We're not in week 12. So we can certainly make things work in a different way. But continue to work on your report. Continue to work on your developing relationship with your client. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Have a great night.